Hi guys, so you see this Ourokhome Espresso notebox with handle. So you can see this is how it looks. And it's a stainless steel coffee ground bin with the nut bar and the visible lid, so you can see it's already full. It has this support so it doesn't scratch the surface. Here's the lid, it's easy. Here's a nut bar. This is how it looks. You just set the bar right here, and when you get your grounds, you just pound it and it will drop. It stays right there, which is really nice, very convenient. And the colors are stainless steel, black, red, dark blue, and mint. And so you can choose the color of the bin so it can match with your coffee machine, which is really nice, a good option to have. So, well, let's take this and use it. I've got the pots, so I'll just use it with those. You can use it with your espresso machine like every day you use it, but more practical to have it inconvenient at hand and easy to reach. So, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I'm here at my coffee station. And I got here the Ourokhome Espresso notebox with the handle. And as I was telling you, I use these K-cups, but still I can use them like this. As you can see, the coffee is in there. My filter is clean. Next one, the same. There is. I think I got this one also full of coffee. So there it is. And this one I've got it clean, so it won't be needed. So as you can see, I've got in here my coffee grounds all used up. And now I can just put the lid on like this, and I'll leave it here, and wait till it fills up with all the coffee, all the used coffee, so I can throw it away or use it in compost, something like that. So it's really nice. I like a lot that it's with a metallic rod inside the plastic, which is really nice and gives structural strength. And I really like it. I will actually recommend it. See ya!